Alright, here's some more factoring questions. Whoops. So we're asked to simplify this expression. So on the top one, so I can't see it. Whoa. On the first one, is that a... yeah, it's times. So on the first one, we want to factor this expression there. And so I think that I can factor that into two brackets. I'm just using my finger. Hopefully you can read that. So things that multiply to 35 have a difference of 2, 5, and 7 probably. So a minus 7 and a plus 5. Then on the bottom, I've got 2x cubed minus 3x squared. I could factor a common x squared out, and I'd be left with 2x minus 3. Okay, now that top one there, you were correct over here what you were doing, a difference of squares. So it'd be a 2x, oh no. Are those x cubes, or I can't read them? Oh, you had to factor an x out first, whoops. Okay, just a sec. So you factor an x out first, and then you're left with 4x squared minus 9. And on the bottom, I can factor a 7 out, left with an x minus 7. Okay, fairly close now. Last thing I would do is on that top one, this is a difference of squares. So I'd have x and then two brackets. So 2x minus 3 and 2x plus 3. On the bottom I've got 7 and an x minus 7. And then over here I've got the x plus 5, x minus 7, all over x squared, 2x minus 3. Okay, now we can start canceling stuff. So there's an x minus 7 that goes, a 2x minus 3 that goes. Oh, there's an x and an x up here, and an x squared there, so this x cancels one of those x's there. So in the end, you just have to write now what's left over. So what's left over will be this, x plus 5, and this one on the top, and then on the bottom, you just have one x there and a 7. So you just write those things down on the top and on the bottom. Hopefully that helps.